welcome back to Loopy Mabel Vintage Style Crochet. My name is Jane, and in today's video it's just a quick diary of what I've been up to this week. My new PDF pattern which I've just published, I'll put the link for it in the box below. It is the Ottilie crochet smock top. And I've just managed to get the pattern out, as I say, and I wanted to show you just exactly what I've been up to. I designed this earlier on this year and in this colour scheme, and I think you might have seen a video log of this and a couple of others I made. But the pattern is now at long last published, so I just thought I'd show you what I've been up to this week. This is for age up to 1. So cute. And this one is age 18 months to 2 years in the grey and the pink. And the pattern will also include age 2 to 3 too. It's fastened on the back with a button opening, easy to get on and off the little girls' heads. And you can adjust the pattern to make it longer or shorter just by increasing or decreasing these rows. But I've made it long enough so it's like a tunic rather than a dress, and it can be worn with leggings and trousers and skirts. So, and the beauty of this design is that it can be worn all year round simply by adding a little long sleeve top underneath in the winter, or obviously bare arms in the summer. This is, I've used Drops Muscat double knit cotton yarn. It's a mercerised yarn and I love it, and it's got that gorgeous little sheen to it, and I just think it's pretty for this design. And also it doesn't pill, it's like anti-pilling, which is also very good, and it washes really well, ideal for little ones. On the yoke I've added like a little cluster detail on the sleeve, like yoke area there, and I've also added it there as a contrast row towards the bottom. And then I finished it off with this adorable fringing, which I just think it finishes off perfectly. And I've named it Ottilie because I like it. I think it's an old-fashioned name and I think it suits this design really well. And obviously simply by changing the colours of your yarns that you choose, like so, just gives it different looks. And you can also use any double knit yarn, so you can experiment with all different colours and all different yarns to give it a different effect. So basically that's the Ottilie smock top. I think it's so pretty, so cute, and the PDF pattern will be available in my Etsy store, and I shall put the link in the box below. If you've got any questions regarding this, please give me a message in the comments box and I will get back to you on that. If you'd like me to do a full tutorial on how to do this smock top, please also let me know. You can follow me on Instagram and you can see the pictures of this on Instagram, and you can also message me on Instagram at Loopy Mabel. I put the shades for the yarns I've used in the PDF pattern if you wanted to make the exact same colour shades, both for this shade and for these shades. But as I say, you can mix and match your colours, you can change your yarns, any double knit yarn would work really well. So that's the Ottilie smock top. I think it's so pretty and I'm really pleased with it. Hope you like it too. If you'd like me to do a full tutorial on how to make this, then I will happily do so. Please let me know in the comments box below. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, and then you'll be kept up to date with all the videos that I do bring out. But until the next time, as I always say, practice makes perfect, and happy crochet!